2022 Lexus IS. With less than 54,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. In addition to its fantastic fit and finish, you'll also get cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, cooled front seats, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat. Experience the difference. Test drive your dream car today.